How to add credit or debit card on Shein account. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now firstly, you have to select the item to make a purchase. After you select the item, click on the option Add to Cart. After you are done with selecting the items, at the top right you will find this cart icon. Click on it. Now over here you're gonna find all the items that you have selected to make a purchase. After you check the items, click on Checkout option. Now firstly you have to select your shipping address and then select the shipping method. Heading towards next option, that is payment method, check in for the option of credit or debit card. Likewise, if you have any voucher, points, gift card or wallet, you can apply from here. Check all the details of your item and then click on the option of place order. After you land to this page, at the very top you can find this section from where you can easily add debit or credit card. Firstly, type in card number, expiry date and CVV. If you want to save your card info, toggle on for this option. Remember this card for future use. Likewise, check your billing address, check all the details and then click on the option of place order. So this is how you can easily add debit or credit card on Shein account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.